Hello everyone, in this video we will compare the Onlykey, Yubikey and Titan. Onlykey, Yubikey and Titan security key are all hardware security keys that offer strong two-factor authentication. Onlykey is a small USB security device that helps protect your online accounts with strong two-factor authentication. It supports many security types like FIDO2, TOTP, BGP and even password storage all in one device. You can use it to log into websites, send emails, or secure your computer with just a tap. It also has extra safety features like a PIN unlock, self-destruct mode, and encrypted backups. This makes it great for people who want a strong security and full control over their data. Onlykey works on most systems and doesn't require extra software for basic use. Yubikey is a small, durable security key that helps you protect your online accounts with strong two-factor authentication. You simply plug it into your computer or tap in on your phone to quickly and securely log in. It works with popular services like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and many more. Yubikey supports FIDO2, U2F, and other security protocols, making it widely compatible and easy to use. It doesn't require batteries, internet, or an app, just plug and go. Many people trust Yubikey because it's fast, reliable, and built to last. Titan Security is a small device made by Google that helps you keep your online account safe using strong two-factor authentication. You can plug it into your computer or connect it wirelessly to your phone to confirm your identity when logging in. It supports FIDO2 and U2F, which working with many popular websites and services. Titan is especially good for people who use Google products as it works smoothly with Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google tools. It's easy to set up and doesn't need batteries for the USB version. The key is built with strong security features to prevent hacking or phishing. Overall, Yubikey is best for wide compatibility and reliability. Onlykey is best for advanced security features, and Titan is best for Google users. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.